gratitude can change your life and it can open doors for your happiness. And if you want to know how, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Tina Ashok Dhingra. I am organic lifestyle entrepreneur and coach and I am on mission to help 1 billion people to live organic, healthy and happy life. Today I am going to talk about what are the benefits of gratitude and how we can practice gratitude in our life. There are many benefits of practicing gratitude in our life and studies have shown it improves our quality of life in many areas, in our physical health, our mental health, and it improves our quality of sleep. It makes us more happy, more peaceful, and our relationship improve. And we get success fast in our life. So there are many benefits of practicing gratitude in our life. So now if you want to go much deeper and if you want to understand why gratitude is very important and why many celebrities, scientists, doctors practice gratitude in their life. So answer is, have you ever heard about law of attraction? And do you know how it works? And first you have to feel appreciate whatever you have in your life, and you should be thankful for these things, and so that you can create that kind of vibration around you, and you should give that signal to universe, and because this is a law of universe, like attract like, whatever kind of vibration you will give to universe only understand the language of your vibration. So whatever vibration you will give to universe, that kind of signal will you are sending to universe, and universe will send that kind of things in your life. If you are in positive vibration, if you are in gratitude situation, so that signal is going to universe, and universe will give you more happiness, more success. So this is a proven technique, but many people don't know how it works. That's the reason poor get more poor and rich get more richer, because they practice gratitude in their life. They understood this law, how they can attract happiness and how they can attract success in their life. So they know these secrets, and if you want to know more about this secret, then you have to see one movie called Secret. If you want to know more about law of attraction and how it works, then go in YouTube and see this movie Secret, the law of attraction. Gratitude in your life, first is make a journal. So make a notebook, and in that you have to list down all the things for you feel grateful for. Like you can write some people's name also, if you feel that people have made you happy or given you some happy moment. And you can write your teacher's name, like from your school time or your college teachers or your friend. It can be your family member, or you can write about your things also, like if you have phone with you, if you have laptop, if you have your own house, or if you have anything good in your life, because the life you are living today, that is a dream of someone. So you have many things for grateful, and you have many things in your life, so that you should feel grateful in your life. If you think you don't have any, then problem will be with you, because we have so many things. We have if we are living today, because many people are dying due to corona, but still you are safe, your family is safe, but you are not practicing gratitude, you are not saying thanks to God, then problem is with you. And you have morning light, and you have many things, you have food to eat, and you have many things to feel gratitude. So practice gratitude. And second is, you have to express, like if you have written people's name, like 4 or 5 people's name, but you have to take if they are living far, and then you have to take phone and you have to call them, and you have to say thank you to them. And if they are not alive, then you can pray for them, and you can say thanks to God sending these people in your life. So expression is very important. because it is like a gift, like you have gift but it is packed with some beautiful wrappers, but you are not opening the gift. If you are feeling gratitude, if you are feeling thankful for any person, then you have to express to him. You can write a letter, you can send message to them, and you can send gratitude gift to them in return, and you can do something which so that you can express your gratitude toward that person. That is very important. To expression is very important. If you are feeling gratitude but you are not telling anyone, and but you have to tell, so that your vibrations improve, and that kind of signal you will give to universe, and universe will send that kind of good person into your life. If you are not grateful for current situation, if you are not grateful and you are not expressing, then how you will improve, and how you will get more success and more happy moment in your life. So expression is very important. And third is, you have to make one gratitude board, or you can say gratitude some corner or some board, by using so much creativity, colors, and you can paste pictures of your happy moment, so that whenever you will feel low in your life, whenever you feel you don't have anything to feel happy, whenever you will go to negative vibration, and whenever, because our mind is it will play games with us, it will definitely will go to negative zone, and negativity will come. But when you have this gratitude board, and you have a lot of happy memories, then it will help you to come out from that negative vibration. It will help you to be in gratitude zone. So that is important. You can make a one gratitude poster kind of something, pasting lot of your happy moments picture, like if you won in if you have got any medal, and if you got any prize, or some your happy moments. So you can make one kind big poster, and you can paste on your wall, and before sleeping or after waking, you can see that board, your gratitude board or your gratitude poster. So it will really will help you to improve your vibration, so that you will give a good signal to universe, and you will attract more happy moment or more success in your life. So make a gratitude board. Celebrate. If you feel you have lot of things to feel gratitude, then enjoy the moment, feel happy. You can sing a song, you can dance, and you can shout. You have to feel from core of your heart ki you are very happy, and that kind of signal you have to give to universe. If you will say less time thank you, and you will feel less gratitude, then you will get less success and less happiness. When you will be the medium on the medium level, you will feel gratitude, then you will attract medium happiness. If you will be more happy, and you will be in more gratitude zone, then more happiness will come. So it will depend on it will be like equal to proportion to the kind of signal and the vibration you will give, and how much happy you are right now. In future also you will be happy. If you really want to be a good life and a happy life and a success life, then you have to be happy from this moment, and then kind of signal you start giving to universe, and have a happy life. Thank you.